Welcome to the Canopy Walk. You've never seen anything like this. Look at that right there. Oh, they're incredible. I've never seen anything like it.
This diagram illustrates the unique anatomy of the Stegosaurus stenops, a magnificent example of which you can see moving right now.
As you can see, the sheer scale of the patagonum is immense. They estimate it weighed nearly 80 tons and stretched over 120 feet.
It's incredible, isn't it? She's approaching the glass now, and just stay calm and enjoy the view.
And this majestic creature, the Parasaurolophus, with its distinct crest, was a gentle herbivore that roamed these very forests.
Look down there at the rapids, quite a sight. We're almost across this section, and stay close to the ropes and mind the gaps. Just over there, near the tallest peak, that's where the matriarch is leading the herd this morning. Take a look through your lenses. Welcome to the Canopy Walk. You've never seen anything like this. Look down, everyone, right there. Absolutely stunning. Did you see the size of that thing? Make sure you hold on to the railing. It gets slippery up ahead. Wow, look at the color of the water.
If you'll follow me down the ramp, we'll board the riverboat for the next part of the tour. Careful stepping onto the dock.
Move it! Let's go! Let's go!
Pterosaurs weren't traditionally Arctic dwellers. However, some migratory species proved highly adaptable.
What you're seeing here is a dominance display, folks. Typically between males competing for herd hierarchy.
Edmontosaurus was one of the last non-avian dinosaurs ever to exist, and lived alongside dinosaurs like Triceratops,
Batch thrives in colder climates thanks to his feathered insulation. It allows him to conserve heat in these mountain environments.
Ankylosaurus relied on armor and a powerful tail club, one of the most effective defensive weapons in the prehistoric world.
Protoceratops formed the foundation of many desert ecosystems. Small but essential prey species.
Ahead, we have the highlight of our adventure, the tyrant lizard king himself, Tyrannosaurus Rex.
As you can see by its size, this animal requires hundreds of pounds of protein-dense meat every single day.
Everyone remain calm. The glass is secure. We need immediate backup at the main gate.
Welcome to the Real Dinosaur Zoo. I'm your guide, and we're about to see things you won't believe. Follow me. If you enjoyed today's adventure and want to support the park, make sure to subscribe before you leave.
And that concludes our tour for tonight. The park is officially closed.
Good evening, and welcome to the Real Dinosaur Zoo. As your guide, I promise you an unforgettable experience.
This vantage point really is unparalleled, especially during the migration season.
It's absolutely breathtaking. And here we have the Stegosaurus. The plates along its back are quite remarkable, allowing it to absorb and release heat.
The readings from the scope confirm the shift. We have a narrow window before the fissure closes. Move quickly.
All right, everyone, welcome to Jurassic Park. Let's go see what wonders await us inside.